Hello friends, we are back again with yet another video on Hindu Judaic. In this video, we will talk about India's foray at sea, how Pact with France helps. Hindu Judaic request you to please subscribe our channel, and if you have already subscribed the channel, please click on the bell icon to get the notification of each video upload from Hindu Judaic. India is moving way ahead in its search to rule the Indian Ocean, which sometimes is called India's backyard. The provision of reciprocal logistics support between their armed forces signed between India and France could potentially improve the reach and deployment of Indian naval forces in South Indian Ocean. The agreement is similar to that signed by India with US in 2016, which allows the two militaries to use each other's installations for repair and replenishment of supplies. France has territories in southern Indian Ocean with the islands of La Réunion, Mayotte, and the French southern and Atlantic lands. It also has a permanent military presence in Djibouti, on the Horn of Africa, and in the United Arab Emirates. The Indian Navy has been making visits to the southern Indian Ocean, and access to French bases would be helpful in ensuring longer deployments. After a change in policy, Indian naval ships have now been sent on a mission-based deployment at important choke points on international shipping lines that traverse the Indian Ocean. India's recent push in the Indian Ocean to deepen ties with island nations has been largely done to ensure that the Indian flag is more visible in order to counter growing Chinese naval presence in the Indian Ocean. The two nations will not only open their naval and air force bases to warships and aircraft from each other for docking, refueling, maintenance, and replenishment, but also allow each other access to their military facilities. The Indian Ocean region is extremely crucial for international commerce. Not surprisingly, non-littoral states have an important stake in the region, as 80% of the trade that goes through Indian Ocean is with external countries, while trade between Indian Ocean rim countries account for just 20% of the total commerce traveling across the high seas. Challenges in the Indian Ocean region are maritime traffic security in the face of threats of terrorism and piracy, respect of international law by all states, in particular freedom of navigation and overflight, combating climate change and its consequences on security, protection of the environmental and natural resources. For France, India is the entry point to become a part of the largest security and political architecture of the Indian Ocean. France is a dialogue partner of the Indian Ocean Rim Association, but it has been clamoring to be a full member. As per the membership criteria, only littoral states can be part of IORA. France claims qualification through its territories in the Indian Ocean. While India has been positive about French ambitions in IORA, however, the former French colonies of Mauritius and Seychelles are largely opposed to France becoming a member of the IORA, as they believe that their voice in the group could get muffled. Since decision-making in IORA is done through consensus, India cannot express support for France membership openly. This logistic support agreement is a win-win situation for both India and France, and will help India to increase its reach in the Indian Ocean region. Hope you liked the video. Please subscribe us for more such videos. Thank you.